Simo here. So I haven't done a video for a while. I've been struggling to walk and things like that, a few problems and things like that. So I'm going to do a few cooking tips. People ask me about how I do my salmon and things like that. You know, cure my salmon, smoke my salmon and things like that. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you how to cure and how simple it is to cure salmon, and show you how to prepare it ready for smoking. This is a two-part video. First part is going to be showing you how to do the cure, make the cure, and also, you know, prepare the salmon for smoking. The next one is about smoking and different sort of smokers you can use. Now, of course, you don't have to smoke this salmon. You can eat it as it is. You can flavour it and eat it as it is. You can flavour it with beetroot and all sorts of things. You can put anything into this cure. It's very easy to do. I use kosher salt. It's not Jewish or anything like that. It's not. It's nothing to do with Jews. That's why it's not. It's called kosher. It's to do with how they used to use it to cure things in the old days, one thing and another, and lots of other things. Right. So like I said, I use kosher salt. Now I always use equal kosher salt to sugar. In here I've just got normal white granulated sugar mixed in. Now you can add beetroot to this, or you can add any flavouring you want really. You can add curry powder. You have to test it a little bit to see how you want to flavour it. Just excuse the dog barking outside. Yeah, you have to test it to see if it's got enough curry powder in and things like that. You can use chilli, you can use garlic, you can use anything at this stage. But I'm going to use a Scandinavian style one. I'm going to use some dill out of the garden, a bit of dill. Now the thing is with dill, it's a strong flavour, so you don't need a lot of it. Yeah. Now when you chop it up, you chop the stalks up and everything. You're not going to eat the dill. You're just going to use it for flavouring. So you can chop the stalks up and everything with this. Yeah, this recipe. So basically, I'm going to add my dill to the salt and sugar mixture. That's all it is. Kosher salt, which you can buy easily. I got that off Amazon, just delivered to house, about £5 I think it was. So just mix the dill in with the salt. Very easily done. I can do this with not just with salmon like I'm using today. You can use it with trout, you can do it with mackerel, you can do it with lots of other things as well. Usually oily fish at best. Yeah, don't start doing it with cod and haddock and all that sort of thing. But oily fish like salmon and cod and salmon and mackerel and trout and things like that, whatever you prefer. It's just basically dead easy. Salt, sugar, and whatever you want to flavour it with. You don't even have to flavour it if you don't want, because you can just have the flavour of the smoke. Yeah, if you want to smoke it. But I'm going to flavour it and smoke it. So basically, here I've got 2 pieces of salmon, just small pieces. They don't have to be. There you go. That's 1. Just stick it on the cling film, and that's 2. Just stick it on the cling film. So now I'm going to put my curing mix on. That's it. So just put the curing mix on, and I'll turn you now so you can see what I'm doing. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Oops. Can you see that now? Good. There you go. So now I'm just going to put the curing mixture on. This is how easy it is. Literally, dead easy. Really easy. So you just put the curing mixture on. Now what the curing mixture does, it dries the fish out. Yeah. So there's going to be a lot of water involved with what it sucks out of it, because there's a lot of water in the fish. So you put plenty of cure on. Put some on that side as well. It'll tip off when I put it on, but it doesn't matter. There you go. Put some on there as well. Spread it about a bit. That's it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place this one on the top of that one. I know I haven't done underneath the fish, because the salt will get to it, because it goes into a liquid. Like I said, it's dry curing, so it will dry the fish out. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the back. We don't eat the skin in curing fish because it was quite tough, but it's nice just to put a bit on. By the way, in this bowl I've got 2 there's 2 of these spoons full of salt and 2 of sugar. It's ideal. Another thing you can flavour it with is honey. Still use the salt and sugar ratio, but just put honey in just to flavour it, so you can have honey smoked salmon. Yeah, I say ham because I cure hams and bacons as well. I'm going to show you how to do that in another video at a later date. I'm also going to show you some bread hacks as well, to how to make easy bread. So basically, we just fold that up there like that, fold that over there like that. Now how simple is that? You fold that over there like that, you fold that over there like that. That's it. It's like a parcel. So I'm going to leave this overnight. I'm going to leave this overnight. I'll just go wash my hands 1 second. Wash the salt off. Now, a tip for washing hands when you've handled fish. Not a lot of people know this, but I'll just turn it around to me so you can see me. Oops, wrong way. A tip for washing your hands when you handle fish. If you wash your hands in cold water before the hot, it gets rid of the smell off your fingers. Because if you just use hot water or warm water straight away, what it does is it cooks the smell into your fingers. Yeah. So if you use cold water to wash your hands initially, yeah, then once you've washed all the fish juices off, then do it with warm water, soapy water. But just straight cold water first. Wash off the fish juices so you don't cook them onto your skin, and then straight away wash with warm soapy water. And it's just a little tip I thought I'd share with you. So that's what you do basically. Right, so now I'm going to wrap this up in more cling film and put it in the fridge overnight. Now you can do it for about 5 hours, yeah, but I like to leave it all overnight. So I'll be putting it in the fridge shortly, leaving it overnight, and then tomorrow I'll go through the smoking process with you. I'll show you different ways of smoking things, different smokers, hot smoke, cold smoke. These are going to be cold smoked with a little device I've got. But I'll show you a hot smoker, and I'll even show you how to make a hot smoker. Now when you smoke fish, you can use anything to smoke fish. You can even use tea leaves. You don't have to use wood and things like that. You use tea to smoke fish as well, which is quite nice. The crunching in the back is dog eating his dinner. So you have to excuse that. He's a bit of a wild card, he just does what he wants to do. So yeah, so basically that's it. Ready, that's cured now. Well, it will be in the morning. So you can leave it for a minimum of 5 hours, maximum of 24. But I leave it overnight, and it's beautiful, beautiful. You can eat it straight away then. First thing in the morning for your breakfast, if you want, with some crusty bread, which we're going to go to as well. I'm going to make some crusty bread as well with you. So, and then we're going to make some cream cheese as well at some point. So we've got quite a bit of stuff happening for you. It's nice to buy cream cheese, yeah. So we'll leave it at that for now, and then tomorrow I will show you the smoking thing. Thank you.